Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, your Cheryl. In today's video, I want to show you how I transform myself into a French girl. I always admire their beauty and their style. It just gives me that classic, sophisticated vibe. So if you want to know how I transform myself into a French girl, please keep on watching. Okay, so to be a French girl, first we need to start with the makeup. And I already wear my pieces from Ana Luisa. It kind of gives me that very French Parisian vibe. How I imagine a French girl, it's their pieces are always very minimal, very delicate. So today I pair up with Ana Luisa to style myself to become a French girl. In this video, I have partnered up with Ana Luisa to style their pieces and transform myself to a French woman. Ana Luisa offers so many dainty and delicate pieces with high quality. Their pieces are all nickel-free and hypoallergenic, so you have no worries with wearing all day and all night, even if you have a sensitive skin. I love how they are so thoughtful to have these cotton pouches to store your pieces. The first piece I've picked out is this gorgeous bracelet called Laura Blair. It has this sparkling cubic gem in the center. The banger has this sliding bead and chain that allows the bracelet to be worn at any length. And it is 14K gold plated. I find this bracelet very chic and elegant for my French girl look. The second piece I've picked from Ana Luisa is this dangling earrings called Donna. It is crafted in 14K gold with 3 dangling chains. It is very lightweight and it makes a statement yet still looking delicate and classy. It definitely adds a touch of glitz to my today's French girl look. The last piece is this band ring called Chloe. This band ring is also 14K gold plated and is extremely versatile and will never go out of style. It is this simple yet vintage inspired interwoven look, so it's really a classy touch to the finished look. I absolutely recommend checking out Ana Luisa. I will link down all the pieces down at the description below, so do check it out. And the best news is that they are currently running the biggest sales of the year. It's 20% off the entire website, so make sure you don't miss it. My idea of a French girl is they always have perfect skin and they have like bushy eyebrows. Well, I don't have that, so I kind of need some help with the makeup. So I already put on a foundation and also my eyebrow to make myself look more like a French girl to start off. The first thing I'm going to be using is actually, I'm going to test out on this. This is actually Urban Decay liquid foundation. I'm just gonna use lighter shades just to, you know, brightening up my under eye area. I'm gonna go with this one. I'm gonna use my finger and I'm just gonna go under my eye and just pack it on. A French makeup is everything has to be minimal amount and super natural. So it's kind of very similar to a Korean makeup because Korean makeup is always very natural, no makeup look. In that sense, is they have a very similar interpretations of makeup. It's all about emphasizing that natural beauty. You look like flawless and effortless without looking like you have tons of makeup. Next, I'm gonna go in with my bronzer. French makeup, it's often very minimal and very natural, so I'm not gonna do like a heavy bronzing on my face. So I'm just gonna go ahead with my fluffy brush and then I'm just gonna go smudge it out. Give some shadow to the face to help shaping my face. Normally a French girl makeup, they don't really do much of the contouring or like bronzing is not really a thing for them, but I need like a little bit of that structure and shadow, as you can see the difference here. But to make it really light and natural, basically you just need to keep blending and blending, and also under my jawline to give that structure. I'm not exactly trying to like sculpt my face, it's more like creating a natural shadow. I'm gonna go in with the same color palette and I'm gonna using a smaller fluffy brush and just tap on this to dust off the excess and go into my eyelid. So basically I'm just applying all over my my lid. Next, I'm gonna go in with my Zoeva palette, and I'm gonna use all of these colors and just gonna mix and apply on the higher cheekbone. And then I like to kind of mix with the bronzer that I have already on the face, just to give that neutral blushy moment. I'm going around my nose, and then I'm just gonna go over everywhere again. Make sure they're all blending very nicely into the skin. I'm gonna go in with my mascara to emphasize on my eyes. I'm just gonna go in with the roots, and then I like to pull a little bit when I curl my eyelashes. Going for a second one, only almost at the top of the eyelashes. And then I'm gonna go in with this Sky High mascara from Maybelline. I've been waiting for so long to finally be able to get my hands on this mascara. It's crazy how it's often out of stock. I mean, look at the magic that it does. It really gives you that super lengthening effect. Look at the difference. And I totally understand why there's such a big hype on TikTok with this mascara. Alright, to kind of have that bushy eyebrow, I'm gonna go in with my Anastasia Brow Fix Styling Wax. So I'm just gonna go into my eyebrow to give that sort of natural lifted eyebrow feel. I'm gonna go in with my highlighting cream. I'm gonna go into a smaller brush just to take a little bit of that cream and just blending in with my fingers. Give a little bit of that brightening on the higher cheekbones, but at the same time it's looking like super natural. Go in with the tip of my nose. I'm gonna go back with my bronzer just to kind of shape my nose, and then I like to kind of connect to my eyes and create like a shadow around this area. Just look down like this and just keep blending in. I'm gonna be using the same cream highlighter and go into the inner corner of my eyes. Alright, last but not least, this is the most important part on how to become a French girl. I often have this gorgeous, sophisticated red lip look. So I'm gonna go in with my YSL. This is a matte lip coat. Basically, it helps to set your lip to become more matte and also stay longer throughout the whole day as well. So I'm just gonna apply a little bit. Next, I'm gonna be using this. It's my favorite red lip color from Giorgio Armani. This is the number 400. It's that classic signature red lip. And once I'm done, I'm going with my tissue. And I'm gonna go in with a second coat. It's a trick that I like to use it to make the color stay longer throughout the day. And voila, this is the makeup for my interpretations or my take on how to become a French girl. Since today's video series is all about how to become a French girl, so I want to show you guys how I do this French updo. They often look very effortless, like I just woke up and like grab my hair and it looks like that. So I want to kind of give that feeling in this hair tutorial. First of all, I'm gonna need some help with some hair products. I am using the Gisou Priming Polishing Primer to gonna prep my hair first. This will help with the frizziness of my hair. They are very kindly gifted me this and their hair oil, which I'm really excited because I've been wanting to try their product for so long. It wasn't available in Asia. It's only available in Europe. I'm just gonna put on some. I like to go all over my hair so that it's less frizzy. As you can see, it's more like tame and smooth. Just gonna brush my hair. The Gisou Honey Infused Hair Oil. It is my current absolute favorite hair oil right now. It smells amazing and the texture, it's very rich, so I just need like a few drops of it. And the border is so pretty. So I'm just gonna go over Alright, let's start off building the foundation. Slide a bobby pin upwards, catching all the hairs on the side. Now you want to slide this on a slight angle so that when you insert your next pin, you can slide over the beginning of your previous one and then slightly angle the pin in the other directions. This will make your pin extra secure. And repeat this until you've reached the top. Now just hold your hair into a ponytail as close to the base of your neck and tightly twist it counterclockwise 2 times while directing your ponytail up towards the top. Now hold it in place with your right hand and with your left begin gently pulling the base of your twist upward to create that French twist look and tightly twist your end and hold them into place. Begin securing your twist by using bobby pins. Start at the bottom and slide them through the outside of the twist and push them in towards the middle. Make sure you slide it in and try to hook your ends towards those pins from earlier and you should feel some resistance. Repeat for the rest of your bobby pins until everything is nice and secure. You can play around with your ends of how you want them to sit. Now I have a relatively thick hair, so I kind of put them all on the right side so it's not one whole chunky end spiking out. And voila, this is my take of the French updo. I hope you like it. This is my final look of how to look like a French woman. I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you do, make sure to subscribe to my channel, smash the like button and click the bell notifications. And don't forget to check out this awesome deals from Ana Luisa. Everything is linked out in the description below. Until then, I shall see you in my next video. Bye!